What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got an all new episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. It's summer streets here in New York City, and I'm gonna take you up Park Avenue on a ride with no car traffic whatsoever. We got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. Alright, so if you don't know, Summer Streets is a pretty cool New York City summertime thing. The city will close down several of its large thoroughfares and allow it to be fully bike and pedestrian friendly. They do it a few weekends every summer. I'm turning right onto Park Avenue right now. I wonder if this is going to be pretty crowded, because there are a lot of people out. It's a beautiful day. You know, it's like right now it's like 10 o'clock, so a lot of people are going to be starting to get outside and do their activities for the day. But man, this is cool. I mean, the red lights don't matter. Look at this. You see Park Avenue just completely wide open for bikes, runners, pedestrians. Very cool. The reason for this ride is really twofold. Number one, I wanted to get out here and see what Summer Streets were all about as a rider, as a bike rider. Prior to this, I've never really experienced it as a rider, just as, you know, someone walking around, enjoying the town. But yeah, the reason for this ride is twofold. I'm going to visit Ivan. He is a sponsor for, he's one of the sponsors for our next Zoos ride. And he is graciously giving us some very nice prizes for that ride. And I'm going to pick them up now at his place of work. And the best way to get there is Park Avenue. It's pretty crazy, like just going right through every light. Except for this one. They still don't allow people to go through on 23rd. So yeah, if you haven't noticed, Around the Hood is now on my channel, on the Johnny Prime channel. I have taken full ownership of it. So you probably saw me dump all the episodes on last week or so. And now I'm starting up season 3. And so here we go. Let's see. Get around some of these crazy people here. This is kind of cool. I'm going to get in this tunnel too and really gun it. Yeah, this is going to be sick. I don't think have I been in the tunnel? Yeah, I've been in the tunnel once with the Chimera. Yeah, here we go. Tunnel run. A little crowded. Gotta slow down. I don't have lights either. And sunglasses on. Not a good combo. Alright. Coming up out under the MetLife building now and Grand Central Station. We do this run a lot as group riders, but it is fun going solo without worrying about traffic. It's pretty neat. I kind of wish I went out for a run this morning and did this route instead of the route that I did do. This is pretty sick. Just taking in all these beautiful sights. Very nice. I know there's a few other main roads that are like blocked off like this now. I believe Lafayette all the way down to Brooklyn Bridge. I believe there's also a bunch in Brooklyn and Queens that are closed off as well. And I don't know if, yeah, Fifth Avenue is, I think, a little bit further uptown. Doing a little weaving here, bobbing and weaving. Get around these people, zigzagging. Yeah, this would be fun to run, for sure. So I'm gonna take a left in about 9 or 10 more streets. I don't know which ones are open. Oh, nice fresh pavement here. This place is always a rough ride. Now we got fresh pavement. Nice. I thought for sure I was gonna be jumping and bumping on this stretch. It's tough to know what streets they're gonna allow car traffic to pass through on. So I don't know. Like there's these traffic cops with go and stop signs, so that's pretty helpful. Whoa! Yeah, this is hilarious. Ripping around all these people. I'm gonna take this turn here. I think I'm close to where I need to be. Midtown Madness. All right, I'm pulling up on Ivan's spot, so I'm gonna pause these cameras. What's up?
What's going on, man? How are you?
How's it going, man? Look at
Thanks
you. You're looking
out.
sharp.
Thank you. There she is.
Thank you. These are awesome,
I wrapped
man.
it up a little bit so that
Very
you
nice.
can throw it in your pocket.
Very cool. Yeah, man. Get back to it. Thanks so much.
See you later. Thank you. Thanks for coming up, man.
You got it, man. I'll see you. Giveaways acquired. So yeah, if you're around let's see, August 10th, just next weekend. If you're around, come to the Zoos ride. It's gonna start at Dionysi at 1 p.m. Dionysi, 1 p.m. I'm gonna do a nice loop around Manhattan. We got some great giveaways. Ivan is one of our sponsors. We got Powerful Lithium, we got Tapia Seats, we got Arcane Moto. I'm giving away some stuff, and Dionysi's giving away some stuff. It's going to be a great time. So if you're around, especially if you got a Zoos, come on out. And then once we come down the other side of Park, I'll just wrap this up. This would be a good thing for you guys to see. Little hills of nothing on this Chimera. Pretty awesome. Park Avenue. Completely closed down to automobile traffic. Very cool. Big ass running loop here. So that's it. We did it. New York City summer streets, around the hood in 8 minutes. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.